Hello there and welcome to my channel. Today we're making cookies that just melt in your mouth. First you need 180 grams of butter and 200 grams sugar. Mix them until they are homogeneous. Add 2 eggs and mix again until the eggs are incorporated. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla. Then add a cup of walnuts and continue mixing. The walnuts are what makes this recipe special for me. Now you need 300 grams of flour and 6 grams baking powder. Now's the time for my favorite part, adding the chocolate. The dough is ready to mold, but first you need to refrigerate it for 20 minutes. Make small balls and make sure to leave some space between them. And don't forget to use baking paper. Cook at 180 degrees for about 15 minutes. Now would you look at that? I am salivating just by looking at it. I do hope you will try this recipe and tell me all about it in the comments section. Take care of yourself everyone, and don't forget to subscribe before you skip, and hopefully I'll see you again in another video.